In this session, we will see how to create prepaid expenses in acSys ERP. Prepaid expenses are payments made in advance for a future expense. Let's say we paid 1 year rent of 90,000 AED in January, which is 7,500 AED monthly. Now, we will see how to record the split of 90,000 and post it as a monthly expense of 7,500 each. I have already created two ledgers. Prepaid rental under the asset category, and rental expense under the expense category. I will also create a service item as warehouse rent. And set the default expense ledger as prepaid rental. Now, to make the rental payment, let's create a purchase invoice, select the vendor, and the item is warehouse rent. Choose the cash payment type, and save the document. Now, the GL entries for this document shows the vendor ledger, and prepaid rental expense ledger, and the payment-related entries. For the month of January, we will create a journal entry to transfer the monthly rent of amount 7,500 from the prepaid rental account to the rental expense. Now the balance sheet shows the expense of 7,500 posted for January, and the remaining amount is in the asset. Let's go back to the journal voucher, and set this document as recurring payment for 11 months. Go to the recurring payment form. Let's generate the recurring entries now. Right-click on the row and select Run option. Since we are in the month of May, the payment entries are automatically populated from February to May. Generate the monthly balance sheet, and see the prepaid rental ledger is decreasing each month. Similarly, the P&L statement shows the rental expense posted each month, rather than showing the total expense in January. For more videos on ERP, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.